Google Search Console. Today I'm back again with Google Search Console and how the importance of this tool is. So today I'm going to teach you how to analyze your performance so that you can improve your website and search performance on Google. Most of you know Google Search Console. I don't know if you know how to add your website to Google Search Console. If you don't know, I'm going to make a video later on and it's going to be linked right here on how you can link your web property or well known as your website on Google Search Console. This will give you insights on how your website performs and how you can diagnose your website and how you can repair it. So today I'm here to share with you a case study on traffic on Google Search Console. So Google Search Console tells you everything that's happening on your website, and it works in connection with tools like Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and all those other tools that Google invented and provides for us. So if you're a web designer or you're someone who is learning how to improve your website or your webcommerce shop, yeah, this is the place to be. And today we are here for the performance of what I've realized in the traffic in Google Search Console. Since last year, I decided to really focus on one client's website, and this client's website is a niche. This person designs a certain type of products that's related on silk products, and with this site we saw that there was lots of traffic coming in, but we didn't really see where it was coming in from. So when this client came to me, we decided to put the website into Google Search Console so that we exactly see what's going wrong and what's happening. And also we implemented analytics, we implemented Google Tag Manager, but now in Google Search Console we see what keywords getting impressions in on Google. When Google recommends your website on the first page, it's an impression, and if people click on it, it's also a signal that this website is the information you're looking for. But what you have to avoid is that people click on and click off. So clicking on and click off immediately means that this will increase your bounce rate, and the bounce rate will reduce your session time. So what Google wants is that you keep people on Google and keep people on your website with the right information, because when Google notices that people are clicking on and off, it's a signal and doesn't recommend your website for the search terms you could rank for if people are clicking on, because that means people are not getting what they want. When we saw the words that are giving us impressions, we improved on those keywords. So we started writing content on those keywords, and we've seen so far that we have got more traffic. So at the end of last year, we had lots of impressions, but our clicks were not so high. The product that was being sold wasn't it was a niche product, and it was also in a very competitive industry. So what we did this year with one of our websites is we developed a new product, and like I've been talking about on this channel, we developed the silk mask because of what's going on and people have to protect themselves. So we provided a silk mask in silk. So if you want to see the silk mask in silk, click in the description link below. There will be links where you can go check it out on the online store and you can buy yourself one, or silk scarves. So what we did is we developed a new product, but we didn't know. So we jumped on a trend where we're like, okay, people need masks, so we can develop a product in silk. So we started making silk masks in silk. So what we didn't realize is when we started making content and putting it on Google, there wasn't so much content related to masks or silk masks. So we saw that we were getting lots of impressions from Google, and then that's led to a lot of traffic on our website. Not so much, but just traffic that's only related to those keywords that we wanted to rank for. In the beginning, we weren't intentional. We were just trying to sell a product, and we didn't use paid advertisement because, as most of you know, selling things related to the crisis is violation of Google's policies, violation to Facebook's policies, so you cannot advertise these products. So only thing you can do is do your SEO the good way, the old-fashioned way, and hope that you rank. You can do such ads, but those are kind of, we can do them, but I don't really recommend them. So I decided not to do any ads, just to see how this goes. But within 1 month, we've seen an increase in our session time, because last year when we had a lot of traffic, our session rate used to be 1 minute point 14 seconds. Right now we have a session rate of 2 minutes and I think 8 seconds, which has doubled. The session rate that we have now has doubled since last year. So we have less clicks than last year because we are not running ads, but the clicks that we've got, half of them have converted. So if we got, I think, 214 clicks, and those clicks have really converted and given us an idea on how we can improve our website to rank more for those words. So with this silk mask thing bringing in traffic to our website, what can you do? If you're in Google Search Console, you get your performance report, which I'm going to link here. And performance report shows you, like, let me open mine. Yeah, my performance report, what it shows, when I get it, it shows, yeah, your performance report gives you the impressions, your web impressions. Those were 18.3 thousand, yeah, and I got 241 clicks, and I got 24 first page impression. So 24 times I was on the first page. I ranked on the first page for the impression. So how did this happen? So they also show you what top growing pages you have, which pages should you focus on your website. So what you can do is make more content like these pages to keep on ranking in Google. So what you do, you make more content on your achievement. So you see your top growing pages. I'll link everything here. And then also what you see your top performing pages. Which page are people clicking on and which page is bringing me more traffic? There is a page that is selling a product that actually is a silk mask in black, and people have clicked 99% generated from there. And the other ones have been generated from, yeah, the silk mask, just that, 72. But then what you see here, it also gives you how do people find you. You see here that people are typing in silk mask, a black silk mask. You see how many clicks you're getting. You see here that I've got 27 clicks on silk mask, 21 clicks, a black silk mask. I've also got 20 clicks, which is not so big. I could, make up, I don't want to make up any numbers, but I'm just being honest. This is organic traffic. It's not paid traffic. Don't get me wrong. And this is like on a website. It's like from content that we designed the silk mask. I think if you've been following me, we've designed the silk mask 3 weeks ago and we started putting it on our website. So this search term hasn't been on our website for a very long time, but we have been ranking on the first page of Google for this. It also shows you which devices people getting you from, and here you see that so many people are searching on a mobile device. To which countries are people clicking? So you can see here that so many people are clicking from the Netherlands because this is where we are. So that's like, I think, local search, local traffic, and people from the United States, people from the United Kingdom. And that means that actually, because our content is in English and also some in Dutch, because we have Dutch content and English content, which means that so many people are clicking from the Netherlands because there's Dutch content and they are searching stuff in Dutch. English content we also have is being searched for people from the US and the people from the United Kingdom. When you go down further, you see where you're ranking. It says Google search type. So people are searching you via the web. They find you like on the web. You'll see if someone is searching. 241 people are searching you through the web, and 114 are finding you via images, and 2 found me via video. Because, yeah, in order for you to rank, you need content, you need good images, you need good videos related to the topic, and also you need good review snippets. You need to write good product descriptions. So that's what I say, your text should be not copied, it should be original so that you can rank. What does this mean for you as a business owner and someone who is trying to grow their business and thinking of how to improve your website, improving your rankings on Google. So what you can do, if you see, like I'm seeing here the top performing pages, I'm seeing here the top performing searches, what you can do if you see those things in your Google Search Console, you get a notification every month. Please pay attention, focus on it. What you need to do is make content related to those keywords, build more pages, make good images, and make good videos, make good content, whatever you into, because this is a web shop and we are trying to get people to convert. At the moment, we are not allowed to use paid advertising because it violates the policies because of the crisis. So we cannot do anything to improve traffic. The only thing we can do is just do good SEO and hope and wait on Google to help us rank. And if your website is really well optimized and your SEO is done well, Google will reward you by recommending your website and improve your session time. Yeah, this session time, you don't actually see it in Google Search Console, but when we went to our analytics and compared last year where we were paying lots of money for web traffic and doing paid advertising, and then we compared it to this month where we couldn't use paid traffic, we saw that the session time that people were spending on our website was increasing and had doubled. So that gives signal to Google that the information we have on this website is relevant and it should be recommended to on the first page of Google, and that's what's happening. So I think we are ranking on the first page locally in the Netherlands for now. We don't know how long that will be. So if we want to keep on selling that product, we need to keep on creating more content, and creating more images and more videos and that kind of thing on the product. However, that costs a lot of money. Is it worth it? We don't know. Are there other hacks you can do? Yes, you can. However, we want to practice best practices so that everyone has a chance on the first page. So having hard times ranking on Google, just check out our videos or leave us a comment below telling us what your challenges are on your website, and maybe we'll answer you and give you some tips and tricks on how to tackle them. Or go to the description link below. Also, you can contact our digital agency and we can help you further. And if you're new here, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, like this video, comment, it helps me grow my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for your support. I'm grateful that you're still here, and watch more videos on this channel in 1, 2, 3 and go!